good morning people, how you all doing? I'm doing good. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the like button and comment down below. Share with your friends. Yeah guys, I just now woke up and I had breakfast, and today I thought let's fly some planes, paper planes. So first I have to find some papers like waste paper, used paper. Then we're gonna fly that papers. Like over here I have, let me show you guys my old test papers. We're gonna fly this plane. We're gonna make planes out of these papers. So yeah, recycle that, and after we're gonna throw the planes. Yeah guys, we're gonna fly the planes from here. There will be two ratings. The first is the how the plane is look, design rate, and how many minutes how many seconds it's gonna fly in the air, so before touching the ground. So yeah, let's end it. Yeah guys, before we do the aircraft challenge, something like that. I'm gonna take shower, then I'm gonna eat lunch, and here's the bad news. My shower hanger is broken, so now I have to get shower outside. Let me show you guys my creation and my outside shower. Yeah guys, this is my outside shower, my invention. So yeah, I'm gonna take shower over here now. See you guys after I took the shower. Oh man, that shower is refreshing. I should take often. Damn. And I'm ready to go to the food shop. Hey guys, I'm back, and my planes are ready, and now we're gonna do the air paper planes battle. So yeah, let me show you guys my planes. Yeah guys, first we got Mega. Yeah guys, second we got Speedy, and the third one Bird, and the last one Mini. Yeah guys, we got some problem. What's the problem? So I went to sleep and I thought my uncle is here, so my uncle can hold the camera and I will do my video. But when I woke up, he left to his work, so I don't have anybody to record my air battle. So yeah, I have to ask my friend. Let me ask. Yeah guys, he is not replying, and he might be busy. And yeah, we have to do by ourselves. Yeah, let's see how to do. Yeah guys, first we're gonna start with Mega. His name is Mega. I already mentioned it. So yeah, I have to hold the camera and do the challenge. So yeah, now we're gonna send it. It's not focusing. Focus, man. Focus. Let's. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Now we're gonna send it. Yep. Hiya! I don't know, where did you? Oh, that just happened. It's failed. That one failed, and we are gonna be on next one. Gonna go to next one. So yeah. Next one we have this one, Speedy. It's really goes really far. Oh wait, we have to rate also. About that mega plan for design, we're gonna rate like out of 10. I will give 7. Yeah, 7.5. Yeah, 7.5 for design, and the performance. Yeah, 0 0. For this Speedy, for the design I will give 8 because it look sharp and good. Yep. And we now gonna see the performance, how far it's gonna go and how many minutes, how many seconds it's gonna fly. Yeah, let's see. Yeah guys, the air is coming from there and going there, this direction, so I have to send it little bit this side, so it will go there and go there, and down. Yeah, let's send it. Are you ready guys? On 1, 1, 2, 3. Wow. There is. Bam. I don't know how many seconds. It's like 3 seconds, 2 seconds. So yeah, that's performance. Performance was good. I am impressed. Yep, I am impressed. Yeah guys, for performance I will give out of 10, I will give 5. The flying was good, but the landing, he landed on the point. Yeah, you already saw he was landed on his nose. So yeah, for design he got 7 and performance 5. Or let's go to next one. Next one we got Birdie. Bird, like I'm a bird. So yeah, so ready. I think this one gonna fly more than others. We have another one also, Mini. So yeah, let's end it. So yeah, here's it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there is. Oh, I can't see, man. Fail. This one also fail. Performance 0. Performance 0. Design, I will give 8. So yeah, on the last one, the Mini. Mini. Let's see his performance. Design is, I will give 10 out of 10. He's nice. He looks like Speedy. And It's a cute also, small also. So yeah, let's see the performance. You are good, buddy. I like you. Impress me, don't embarrass me, okay? You have to fly far away. Over there. To Pattaya, na Pattaya. You get it, buddy. I got you back. Don't worry. Now Mini's turn. I hope this one gonna go really far. So yeah, let's send it, bro. And I'm gonna throw it, and maybe camera angle will be like this. So when it's in the air, so will we see? And 1, 2, 3, go. There is. Bam! What a crash! Huh? He went through the tree. I think he's stuck on a tree branch, something like that. Oh! Yeah, guys, I made another one and we got it back. He flew and come back. Yeah, guys, that was our paper plane battle. So yeah, let's do something. Let's throw this chair out of the balcony. You like that? Okay. You like that, huh? You like that? You like it? Hit a like button now. Hit the subscribe button. Comment down below. Share with your friend. Yeah, guys. I'm going to the park, and there we will do some exercise and all. I'm gonna talk to some people and gonna make some friends. Yep. Oh. Hey! What's up? How did you come first? Oh no, I'm just watching. I went first, come back, and the cycle scene. I go there, come back. It's a lot of things. Vlogging is not easy, bro. Not easy now. Guys, I have reached home, and now I'm gonna take shower. I didn't do anything over there, but still I'm gonna take shower and yep. See you guys tomorrow. Take care now. Bye bye then. See you guys tomorrow because it's gonna be every day, bro. Peace. Subscribe.